Another thing that we can do is add a text box to our menu strip as well. So go up here, we're going to click on text box, and this text box does nothing unless, of course, just like if it was down here, we program something to tell it what to do. So in this example, I'm going to stick with the example I did earlier, except I'm just going to keep the pieces here. Here's a string that says 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm going to use this text box as a search text box. I'm going to add another menu item piece here. I'm going to have this text say, if I can find its text property, I'm going to have it say find word here. We're going to have it find the word. Another thing you can do is click and drag to rearrange the items. It may take a moment for the computer to figure out, hey, this is what you're trying to do and where you're trying to put it. It could be a little fussy, but eventually it works. So remember, we can code by double-clicking on any of these items here, which is what I'm going to do here under Find Word. And here, when it's clicked on, that's the code it's going to use. So we're going to just see if label 1 dot contains the text from Textbox. We need to rename that, don't we? Because look at the name of that thing. Toolstrip Textbox, blah, 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 blah. That's an ugly name. Let's make it a pretty name. Let's do search TB. So search TB, go back here. If label 1 dot contains search TB dot text, label 1 dot text dot contains. Let's use all of that. Then have a message box dot show word found, and the else of that would be the message box would show word not found. Let's try it out. So we're looking for the words 1, 2, 3, or 4. So if nothing in there right now, word found because it found the spaces. If I type 1 with a capital O, since this is a lowercase o, word not found. But if I type it with a lowercase o, the word is found. So the text box procedure, once we enter what we need up here, works exactly the same as if it was down here, just in a different location. That's how text box works in a menu strip.